Now we are analyzing spec.exe. We opened the code browser here and going to the entry point. So you can look for the entry function in symbol tree here, program tree and symbol tree. So we will open the symbol tree here and we have the entry functions here, and we will double click on that, and here we are seeing this. So we will also want the compiler here. So that's it. So we have two functions here. So the compilation of these functions looks readable. The security init cookie is a memory corruption protection function introduced by the compiler. So go ahead with the tmain crt startup by the double clicking on it. So there are a lot of functions recognized by Ghidra here. So let's focus on only the function that not recognized yet, which is this here, thungfun 0455F60. So here, this is the main function of the program. So if you have some C++ background, you will also notice that this win_cmd ln here, this should be somewhere here, win_cmd ln, initialize some global variables here. So as you can see, it's initialized to pb_var4, and we will double click on it here. And here, as you can see here, it initialized some global variables like here. So it also initialized the environment and the heap for the process. So, and then the win main function is called. So the thunk_var function that ends with thunk function that with f60 should be somewhere here. So here, as you can see, win_cmd ln, and so win_cmd ln is the win main function. So we will rename this thunk function 00455F60 function to win main. So we will just press on the L key while focusing, or clicked on the thunk function, or you can also right click on it and click on rename function. So we will rename it to win main here, and that's it. So Ghidra allows you to rename variables and functions, introduce commands, and modify the disassembly and the compiled code in a lot of aspects. So this is essential when reverse engineering a malware. So we will double click on win main. So we can also return or type return, edit function signature, and so on. So undefined win main and so on. And we took 2 steps here. So we can also have the undefined for here, as you can see here, integer var1, undefined 8, Pascal win main, and we are returning here. So we took 2 steps to identify where the malware starts to analyze its flow from the beginning. So, but there are some functions in the compiled code listing that we don't know about, or anything we don't know about, right? So our job here is to reveal their functionality in order to understand that malware. So keep in mind that malware analysis is time-consuming task. So don't waste your time with the details, but also don't forget anything important. So next we will analyze each of the functions listed in win main here, this win main, the compiled code, and we will start analyzing the first function, which is located on line 20, and we will start analyzing the first which that ends with 40 here, function 004533 and 40.